Hello students, I hope all of you are safe with your family. Once again I welcome you in standard 7th English class, and previously two lectures we have already completed regarding the second chapter, that is the cherry tree, which is written by Ruskin Bond, and we all know about the relationship between grandfather and Rakesh, and previously also knows that we know that why does Rakesh lives with his grandfather, where does his parent lives, and why did he like cherry too much, where did he plant the cherry seed, and all the things we know about this chapter. And what happened with the foliage, it means plant, that two times it was destroyed, by one time it's got, that was eaten by her, and second time the lady who came from downside of the hill and she cut with her scythe. Now the rest of the portion that I will teach you. Now what happened with it? So that when his grandfather saw what happened with that cherry tree, he went after the woman and scolded her. What did his grandfather do? So his grandfather went to that woman's home and scolded that woman, but the damage could not be repaired. And obviously, if you damage any toy, if you cut any tree, and you cut by any one person, and if you are scolding that person, so do you think that it will repair? No, it will not repair. Rakesh says that maybe it will die now. Rakesh is once again upset. See, first time when the god entered into the garden and she ate all the leaves, that time also it is upset. Second time the lady cut the plant at most 2 feet height, that time once again he also upset. But the cherry tree had no intention of dying. But the cherry tree has no intention of dying because he don't want to die. By the time summer came around again, it had sent out several new shoots with the tender green leaves. Now shoot means what? Once again it will grow. Now once again the little bit small leaves, right? Once again it will very young and small bright young green leaves grown up in the branch, in the plant. Rakesh had grown taller too. Rakesh also grown taller too. He was 8 now. Now previously when I started the chapter, that time Rakesh's age was 7 years. And right now he was 8 years old. It means the time passes at least 1 year. A sturdy boy with curly black hair and deep black eyes. Now sturdy, it means muscular physics. He is grown, his musculars, his physics is totally grown up. And how was Rakesh when he was 8 years? That time he has a sturdy boy with curly black hair and deep black eyes. One day he found a bright green praying mantis perched on a branch. It was the cherry tree's first visitor. Who was the cherry tree's first visitor? The praying mantis. It is little bit insects that who holds his front leg and waiting up to the catch another insects. It's called praying mantis. Means little bit insects, and it was the cherry tree's first visitor. The next visitor was a hairy caterpillar who started eating the leaves. Rakesh removed it quickly and dropped it on a heap of dry leaves. See, first praying mantis arise, second time caterpillars whose hairy, and we all know that caterpillar arise and the caterpillar started eating the leaves. So what did Rakesh do? He removed it quickly and dropped on the heap of the dry leaves. And also he stated one line, come back when you are a butterfly. Why did he use this line? Because we all know that caterpillar turns into the what? butterflies, right? So butterfly, that's why he says that when you become a butterfly, then after you will come here. Winter came early, the cherry tree bent low with the weight of snow. Once again the winter arrives. See the changing season. First winter, then monsoon, summer, then rainy, then summer, then monsoon, winter. So once again, see changeable seasons arise continuously. Right? So in this chapter you have to know that continuous season changes. So Rakesh and his grandfather also know about. He loves the natures. So he says that because of the weight of the snow, that's why the tree bent down. So then in February it was Rakesh's birthday. So the question, when was Rakesh's birthday? So in the month of the February, Rakesh's birthday. Now the Rakesh was 9 years and the tree was 3 years, but it was almost as tall as Rakesh. See, here the statement. The tree was almost as tall as Rakesh. So here the writer used degree. Now we all know the degree of comparison. Now which degree this one? Now the answer is this is a positive degree. This is positive degree because there is a comparison between only one and it is a positive degree. Here says another thing that, and always as and as when arise and the verb, it means adjectives come between as, that time it is a positive degree, but the statement should be what? Positive. If I am using not, so tall as Rakesh, so that time it is a positive degree. Now here says that, so Rakesh, his birthday in February month and he was 9 years old, so the tree is also 3 years old, but the tree is grown as tall as Rakesh. So when Rakesh was 7 years, that time he planted the cherry seed and now the tree turned into the 3 years old. One morning when sun came out, grandfather went into the garden. He stared at the cherry tree and called out, Rakesh, come and look. See, one morning what happened? That sun came out, it means sun rising. Sun came out, it means sun rising from the east, and he went into the garden. That time he observed, that time he stared at the cherry tree and he called to Rakesh, Rakesh, come out and look. Rakesh and grandfather both gazed at the tree. Now gaze means to look continuously. To look continuously. There was a pale pink blossom at the end of the branch. So what did Rakesh find on the branch? So he find out, it means Rakesh and his grandfather both found that a pale pink blossom at the end of the branch. The following year there was more blossoms. Blossom means flowers. And suddenly the tree was taller than Rakesh. Once again the tree was taller than Rakesh. And it was taller than grandfather, who was older than some of trees. So once again I will write the sentence. Once again here the degree. See, in this sentence you will observe, now these and these both are degrees, both are degree of comparative. Now see, here the word then and here also the word then. Now both the degree, it is comparative degrees. Degree of adjectives or adjective of degrees, or in this way it is a comparative degree, because here the comparison between two, right? Here the comparison between two. That's why the writer used that it was taller. Now it means what? Here it means what? So tree, right? The tree was taller than grandfather also. See, the tree was also taller than Rakesh and his grandfather also, right? And also said who was older than some oak trees. So in his garden there are oak trees, but the grandfather was older than the oak trees. That's why the writer says that grandfather who was older than some oak trees. So grandfather age is too much, while the oak trees age is less from the grandfather. Now but Rakesh had grown too. He could jump, he could jump and run and climb trees as well as most boys, and he read a lot of books, although he still liked listening to grandfather's story. So he liked to listening to grandfather's story also. He grown up, he could climb the tree, he could run, and most of the boys, what are the activities do in his age, same activity he can do. Bees come to feed on the nectar in the blossoms of the tree, and tiny birds pecked at the blossoms and broke off them, but the tree kept blossoming. It means so Rakesh had grown to, he could run, jump and climb the trees as well, the most of the boys. Even the bees also came to feed the nectars in the blossoms, it means flowers, and on the flowers of the tree, and the birds also pecked. Pecked it means hit with his beak and blossoms and broke them off. उसको तोड़ भी के छोड़ देते. We all know that the birds who are sitting on the tree. That time what did he do? They continue hitting on the flowers, right? It will broke down. It is breaking down, and he says that, but the tree kept blossoming. Continuously the tree blossoming. That summer, see once again the summer season arrives. There were a small cherries on the tree. Rakesh tasted one and spat it out. Spat it out means split out. Spat, it is a past form of spit. थूक देना. Because it was in taste of sour. Sour. It means खट्टा था. Sorry, खट्टा तो नहीं कह सकते हम exactly उसको, ऐसा था. They will be better next year, right? They will be better next year, grandfather replied. A few days later, on a warm, sunny afternoon, Rakesh went into the garden and lay down on the grass beneath the tree. Now, beneath it is a preposition. Beneath it is a preposition. It means under the tree. He gazed up through the leaves at the great blue sky. Now what did exactly you understood? What is it? That Rakesh was sitting down under the tree. Lay down, it means sleeping. Lay down, it means little bit half sleeping. Continuously watching through the blue sky. But in between his eyes and the blue sky, between there are leaves. So he says that he gazed up through the leaves at the great blue sky. Grandfather came out too, and they waited in silence until the stars came out. His grandfather also came out from his house and lay down under the tree, and they are continuously silent. They make the continuous silence until the stars came out. Now here the Rakesh asked one question to his grandfather, that there are so many trees in the forest, grandfather. There are lots of trees in the forest, grandfather. But he also asked this question, why do we like this tree so much? Why do we like only this cherry tree like too much? And his grandfather replied very beautifully. He says very beautiful and very excellent answers. Very excellent answer given by his grandfather, and says that because we planted it ourselves. Right? We like this tree because we planted by ourselves. That's why we like this tree. one small seed. Rakesh replied, just one small seed, said Rakesh, and he touched the smooth bark of the tree. Bark of the tree means upper layer of the stem. He says that just one small seed, said Rakesh, and he touched the smooth bark of the tree that had grown. I wondered, he whispered. Whispered means speak slowly. Is this what it feels like to be God? क्या यही वो चीज है? Is this what it feels like to be God? This is the thing that the God feels like from us, and even it likes from the God. That's why he used this line. So students, here our chapter is over. I hope you understand the chapter very well. Now today's homework is what? That you have to solve sin passage number 5 and sin passage number 5 and 6 from your worksheet, complete into your FNB. Thank you, student.